Guys, what's up? Just coming back with another trade review for August 16th, 2023. Today I had a couple on my watch list. I had Docu, Love, Firm, BE, LVS, Nike, and PFE. Again, all of these drawn off larger time frame levels, and then leading into the open, I will look for a point of entry around these levels. Utilizing TradingView, I look for ranges or, like I said, pattern double top, double bottom, triple top, and then I'll also look to where the range is forming in relation to what I see on the daily chart. And I knew that I traded BE before, but I knew that in general this stock moves rather slowly. It does have a decent daily volume. It still kind of falls into my criteria. Today it's particularly low, but I was expecting for this to retrace previous day. And I had two options: read the order book and watch the tape at the open, or if I missed that, I was looking for it to come in and around this 15-minute range and test R3, which is the top of the 15-minute range, reject with volume, and then I would short it from there. It did not do that. What ended up happening this morning was it rejected PDC with volume. So as soon as I noticed that, I shorted it. And generally speaking, I know a lot of people say it's a no-no to short or to enter on the first minute, but as soon as it hit the S3 or it hit this level here, it turned immediately, and I knew I was wrong. So that was a stop. That was 1 hour. But then I noticed on the order book, the asks starting to stack, and the bid started to step up. So instantly on the fly, I flipped my position and went long. And unfortunately, the price action, it was just kind of real crappy. It didn't move very well, and the spread was good. It just, the volume wasn't there. And so what I was looking for was it to come into this $15 level and break through with volume. And it did come past it a few times. It tested. There just wasn't really a big volume push. And in and around 10 a.m. this morning, I believe there was a Fed speaker, and I saw the market just start to drop. And at that point, it lost 5 cents here. And my target for this long entry was the top of this 15-minute range, or R3, which is, I know when people like to play the S3 to R3, but typically I don't really play cams or pivots. I turn them on after the fact, after all my levels and ranges are drawn in, and it could not break through. But that was the plan: long here, and I would enter exit the majority of my position at R3, and then see if this would break through, hold. But in and around this area, we are close to ATR. So what ended up happening was I just covered my losses. Very small green day today. So that was it. I was tempted to take a few other trades, seeing that the market is kind of selling off. Currently we're below PDC, SPY's below PDC, and that's it for the day. Choosing my stress, focus on other things, and look at new opportunities for tomorrow. If anybody has any questions in regards to my trade setups, which I am still continually developing and refining, just please feel free to email me, DM, IG, Twitter, or comment below. Hope everybody had a good trading day. I'll see you soon.